Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn the section which talks about using the input function to take user inputs in Python. So let's continue learning in this series of Python for beginners with ChatGPT. And as always, we'll use the prompts that was provided in the curriculum to start our conversation with ChatGPT. So there we go. As always, you should modify and specify which language you're using because if your chat history is not saved, ChatGPT might not know what you're trying to accomplish. So that takes a name. Just make sure the sentence makes sense in terms of English, and then you can send this question away, and you'll see it can generate a test program for you. So, like always, you can just copy this code and paste it in a idle new file. And I've already done this practice. So here you can see like when you run the program, it'll ask for the name, then age, and then it'll print a greeting based on the inputs that you have provided. Um, if you want to try different kind of inputs such as numbers, floating point integers, it's already saying over here that you can try this and experiment with different inputs. So now we can also ask a follow-up question. Can I use integer? So it shows you that you can use it, but there's some modification needed. So over here you can see that once you take the input, you have to convert it to an integer. So this is the format in which you would have to write your code. And now the age variable becomes an integer. It's no longer a string. So there are multiple things you can try. There's also an improved version of code with some error handling. Error handling is a new topic. We haven't yet covered it in part of this syllabus, but if you're curious to learn, you can try that too. And for example, if there is ever a code line that you don't understand, you can always just copy paste that line. Supposing I don't understand this line, and you can ask for additional explanation. So it will go ahead and give you like that detailed explanation of what that line is doing. And this is very helpful when you're a beginner and you still have confusion about certain lines of code that you're practicing. It will go into go into an extreme depth and show you exactly what it does. So I hope you enjoy practicing this new function and good luck with your practice. See you in the next one.